In this video, we're going to be going over how to connect your menu to your TV for your account. So right now I'm in my demo nutrition account, and I will go over here to the TV tab. Once I click on that, you'll see this pop up. You're going to want to copy and paste this link into a separate browser. So right now I'm going to do it on my laptop, but for you, you're going to connect it to your TV browser. So you'll need to find your TV browser app, and then you'll copy and paste this link, and then it'll end up showing you a code that you will copy and paste, and you will enter that back on the original account page. So you'll go and click on New TV, and you'll paste that code, and then you can name your TV that you're connecting, and then you can see that it's connected. I'm going to add a menu super quick. So we have some menu themes. I'm just going to go with Fresh Menu Blue. And then I'll go back to my other browser, which would be your TV. And then you'll see that it is automatically linked and it's up and running. So you'll be ready to go with your menu.